Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Solution. I hope you are doing very well. In this video, we are going to set up the Eventhouse and run very first query on a sample stock dataset. This is a practical pieces. You will see how to create database, ingest sample data and inspect the schema and compression size. Run a sample KQL query to preview records. So before going forward, I request you to please subscribe this channel and like this video if you find this video helpful to you. Now let's dive in. So here I'm in the home page of Microsoft Fabric. Let's go to workspace and let me create new workspace for our practical demo. Let me name this WS Eventhouse underscore KQL. Okay, don't forget to click on this advanced option and make sure this is trial option is selected if you using trial version. Okay, here capacity I'm using trial version. And let me click here apply button to create this workspace. Here workspace is created. Now click on this new item to create Eventhouse or KQL database. So go to here track data section and you can see here Eventhouse. If you're not able to find this Eventhouse, you can search here Eventhouse. Okay, and now you can see here Eventhouse in storage data section or track data section. So let me click on anywhere in both. So let me click here and name it stock in a small letter stock database. Okay, demo. Let me click here create to create this Eventhouse. So here Eventhouse is created. Let me click here get started and next you can see here preview button and let me close this. And here obviously there is no data for now, so let me click here this stock database demo which is KQL database and let me click here table. So for now here is empty. Let me click here get data and obviously you can see here the several options to load data into table. So here you can see local file, one leg, event stream, Azure storage, event hub, and you can see so on data flow pipeline as well. So for learning purpose I am using here sample data. So let me click here and you can see here stock analytics and other available data set. Okay, sample data set. So for now I am using here stock analytics which is S&P 500 stock ticket data. So let me click here to load data and it's take around 1 minute to load, 1 and 2 minutes to load. So this data is still loading. Now you can see here this stock data set is loaded and create here table stock, and if you click here you can see here preview of table data, and if you click here schema inside you can see here column name and its data type, and here sample records for top 10, here date, and this is data type, and this is open, this is numeric or real data type, and this is a string data type. Okay, volume and ticker. And if you click here system overview, you notice here original size is 300 MB and compression size is 98 MB because this store data in columnar format which compress the size, and that's why KQL uses columnar storage and efficient compression, which is excellent for time series analysis and make query much faster when you select a few column. Okay, so let me click here and let me select some query. So let me query here query with code, and if you want to query this you only need to, so let me delete this option and write here table name first stock. Okay, and then enter this pipe. So this table, after this table contain data, and I want to take only top 10, so you need to write here if you compare with SQL, instead of top you need to take here take keyword and write here 10 to select only 10 records, and you can see here result in query editor. Okay, if you want to take 100 you need to simply write here 100. Okay, and run this, you can see here 100 records. So that's all about in this video. You have seen that we have created a stock database and load sample records as a stock table, okay, and inspect the schema and compression size, save and run your first SQL query. In next video we will break down the KQL syntax operator so you can filter, aggregate and visualize these stock in useful way. If you like this quick hand-on demo, please like this video and subscribe the channel, and if you have question, feel free to ask using comment box. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.